Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Cameron's Live here in Dunbrody House, southeast corner of Ireland. Today we're doing a one-pot pasta dish. It's super simple to make, and it's particularly good if you're really busy and you just run in from the house and you just want to get a dinner on. So it's very straightforward. Everything is raw going into the pot. So we're going to start with our pasta shells here, which is really good. Just chop down some onions then and put them in. Literally, it's raw, so it's in there. And we have some chestnut mushrooms here. So regular button mushrooms or wild mushrooms, fine. Just slice those down. With the mushrooms in. And then we're going to put our tinned tomatoes in the pot. This is probably the easiest thing I've ever done in my life. But what's great, it actually works, which is amazing. And according to Julian, the Wikipedia man himself, said that this was the original way that the Italians used to cook pasta. Never heard that before. And the reason for is when you cook it like this, you actually keep the starch in your sauce. So you get this kind of creamy sauce with your pasta. So I'm sure lots of you will be online making your comments on that one. Please address them to Julian, not to me. Some chopped parsley. Some black pepper, turn the heat on underneath, and a little bit of salt. And I'm just going to throw in just a touch of water in there, get that going. And that is going to start to come to the boil. And obviously it'll take about 12 minutes to cook because you want to cook the pasta through, okay? And we have one here, you can see here, already done. You getting that, Julian?
Yeah.
Lovely pasta dish. We'll give this one a stir. You can put a lid on that, or else you can just let it bubble away. If the liquid kind of reduces right down to nothing, just add a little bit more water to it, okay? And we'll just make sure your pasta is fully cooked. Okay.
Can you add any meat into it?
You can. Swiss sausage is really good in it, so a little bit of spice to it. You can put in some meatballs into it as well, which is fine. Okay, and what we're going to do here is that we're just going to add a little bit of cream to it and a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And you have the super pasta dish. Just make sure that it's nicely cooked. Great flavor. Just a touch more salt in there. And there you have a wonderful pasta dish. Parmesan cheese over top. It doesn't get much easier than that. So here you go. You have a delicious one-pot tomato pasta mushroom dish.